Okay, we're just going to have a quick look at drainage. So if we look at this window here, it's processed with no sill. So in a no sill situation, the drainage is automatically going to default with face drainage. You may have scenarios where you're putting your own sill on and you don't want face drainage, you want that as concealed. That's dead simple. We just click on that face and we change that to concealed. The alternative way of doing that, so if you've got a situation where you're using your own sills, is to order that from us as what we class as a dummy sill. So that dummy sill, if your sill's 30mm high, if we click on dummy sill, that automatically then changes the drainage to concealed. Now, one thing I should just show you here is that range that you're looking at there is an abbreviated selection. If you wanted to see more detail, click on the expand button, and your drainage you see here comes under that expanded area. So as I said, if you just process that or request it as a dummy sill deduction, it would automatically do concealed. If it's no sill, it's face drained. If you specifically want no drainage, maybe a showroom window or an internal door, click on no drainage. That's it for today. Thank you.